Oh, John, they're gonna bring her out.
Oh,
They're not?
Nope.
Oh, okay.
you know why?
Wow.
Well, they have gotten a phone call from apparently the public defender. My office got a phone call from apparently a prosecutor at the jail saying she was being in processed on a new charge this morning.
Oh,
So she's in that gray zone where we can't get her and we can't contact her. So
all right. Do you want to bring her back on Monday?
I'm at the court's disposal.
No, I mean, let me know. I can, the earliest that I can.
She's got two cases. I think one's an MTR and one's a new case here. And then she possibly has a family violence charge.
All right. So if you want to go ahead and confer with them, and what I'll do, if you have no objections, I'll bring her back on Monday.
I'll do it.
All right. So we'll put her down for August 26th. And if she's released from custody, do you have the ability to contact her?
I will try to.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, on Stephanie Clyde. Cleed, sorry, on Stephanie Cleed, we're gonna bring her back on August 26th. All right, you are excused.
Thank you, Your Honor. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. What?
The assault of that.
The assault of that. All right, who's here on Celeste Nicole Bell? All right, and if she can come forward, please. Counselor, you're on this side.
Been a while since I've been in here.
No, that's okay. Deputy said it, for security reasons, it's best that you're on this side.
You can trust me, Judge.
Oh, I didn't mean that laughter as, haha, I can't trust you. It's more of,
Well, I am a Cowboy fan.
oh, Bashan, we have a Cowboy fan in our midst. That's
I'm
okay.
not happy about it, Judge. I've been kind of born into it.
All right. All right, so where are we on discovery?
Judge, we're going to apply for pretrial first.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a PTD date on Celeste Bell, please. Let me see.
You can bring her back on September 23rd.
All right, we'll be back on September 23rd. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I appreciate that. All right, just have a seat and your attorney will give you your reset form. You're welcome. Thank you.
Judge, I'm on the jury monitoring docket for the civil side on divorce case that morning.
Okay.
Can I maybe move it to another day?
Well, what I can tell you, just have your client show up.
Okay.
And if everything is done with the processing, that's for us to make sure that the forms have been filled out.
So if I'm stuck over there.
Yeah, and I'll put a notation in the file.
So he has 3 indicted cases for which he posted bond 2 days after his arrest. But the bond company filed an affidavit of surety to surrender. I do not find a scanned copy of that affidavit. And so I wondered if there is a copy in the court file, because I would like to know why they requested to go off the bond.
Yes.
It's not.
All right. Who is here on Joshua Melee?
That was me, Judge. That was the one that we gave you the order the other day and everything kind of illegible. So I went back to the printer and got like the really good quality print.
Thank you, because people would say, what is this, you know?
Yeah, well, I had to get Lauren to send it to me again, because it was on her end when she sent it.
Okay. All right, they'll give you a copy.
Okay, great, thank you.
You're welcome.
Even the bench is counting down to the weekend. Justice might be blind, but it's definitely watching the clock.
Monday, I was trying to see. Point 2675. Also last time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
People get filing back, they're probably sitting there. Keep it. We never even spoke. No, yeah, no, it is the second degree, so it doesn't look like there's any notation that it's the. Okay. Yeah, so no, we are.
Oh, it's just a long dog.
Yeah. That's the right behind you.
I figured you were looking for it. Thank you.
Who's here on Sean Griffin?
That's the compliance hearing.
Okay.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, you don't have anything.
No. That's okay. We'll see what's going on. Thank you.
So basically, Judge, just to give you an overall quickly, this is one that we were. The court received an extension for a year, and Judge, you did not want to extend him a year. You wanted to extend him 3 months.
Mhm.
But you wanted to call a compliance hearing.
Okay. So, Mr. Griffin,
Yes, ma'am.
I know your issues with fees,
Mhm.
but they're telling me that you're testing positive for marijuana.
Yes, ma'am.
So if you're drug tested today, what are the results going to be?
Positive.
So do you want to be revoked?
No, ma'am.
Then you need to stop using marijuana.
Yes, ma'am.
If you were not using marijuana, this probation would have been done. So how often are you using?
Daily.
All right. So we're going to extend you, and this is what I want. We're going to extend you for 3 months. You better stop using.
Yes, ma'am.
And probation, I'm going to want him tested for levels. And you're going to do 90 sober support meetings in 90 days. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
And why are you being extended? Why do you think you're being extended?
They get me compliant.
Yes. So all of this is completely up to you,
Yes, ma'am.
whether you end up at the Bear County Jail or whether this is done in 3 months. It's completely up to you. If you continue to use, not going to be good. And what I can tell you is when people have children, and I see that you pay child support, that's a good thing. But I'm sure your children, if you have any visitation with them, they smell marijuana. They smell marijuana in the home. They smell marijuana on your clothes. That is not good for them because in Texas, the use of marijuana is illegal. And that's sending a message to them that it's okay to break the law. And the last thing they need is to have a parent who's going to the Bear County Jail because they can't follow the rules. And then if you can't follow the rules, how really can you teach them to follow the rules and why it's a good thing to do? Do you understand?
Yes.
All right. Ms. Abrams, is there anything else?
Judge, how would you like to address the community service hours in the parenting class?
All right. You need to complete that parenting class. And if you complete the parenting classes, then the community service hours will be deemed satisfied. But you need to start on those parenting classes. Why haven't you started?
I looked up a parenting class on Google. I didn't know it was a certain one that I had to do until I brought it to my probation officer and she gave me a card and she said that was the one I was supposed to do and it was $85 and I haven't had the $85 to pay for it yet.
Okay. Well, Ms. Abrams will tell you maybe of some more parenting classes that are maybe less expensive. So she'll go over that with you. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
And obviously that parenting class didn't work. Because if it did, you would know that you're supposed to be following the law so that your children can look up to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay? Do you want your children to be proud of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, then that's what you need to do. Okay? And stop thinking that the Chicago Bulls are going to be doing anything. They could. I'm a Chicago Bulls fan.
Judge, how often do you want him tested for levels?
We'll test him day to get a baseline. And then do you all want to test him every 2 weeks?
That'll be fine.
All right, so they're going to test you for a baseline. They're going to test you every 2 weeks. If those levels go up, what's going to end up happening is a warrant is going to be issued for your arrest. You're going to be taken into custody. If you don't bond out, you're going to come over in orange at the box, and then you're going to tell me why you can't stop using marijuana. You have a choice to make. Do you potentially want to go to Bear County Jail? If the answer is yes, continue to use marijuana. If you don't, stop using marijuana. You have any questions?
No, ma'am.
Is there anything else that we can do for you so that you'll be successful? All right, good luck to you. You're welcome.
Without interpreters, justice can get lost in translation, literally. This step isn't just formality, it's fairness in action. 90 days behind bars for something small. That's less swift justice and more hurry up and wait.
Mr. Deborah.
And yeah, so that way, because I have another 14.
Thank you. All right, who's here on Raul Juarez? Good morning. Are you all ready to proceed on the motion? Okay. Have y'all talked with probation?
Yes, I told Sean this morning.
All right, what's the reason for the withdrawal?
Due to the difficulties in proving the contact with Snapchats, we need the screenshots. We don't have them to provide to defense. And then we are not ready to proceed with putting up the new number that I get.
Okay. All right, so with regards to the new number one, at some point, is this going to be refiled or no?
Wait, it's already filed, Jordan. It's been indicted.
Okay, I mean, the motion to,
Oh, yeah, but
the motion to revoke, because if the court signs this motion to withdraw, the court is not going to allow the state to then come back with another motion to revoke with the same. All right. So with regards to the alleged contact he has with the complainant, is that the same complainant
yes, Your Honor, from the new number one. Yes,
and the same complainant that's
yes.
with the motion to, all right. Mr. Juarez,
Yes, Ms. Boyd.
how old are you?
I am 54 years old, ma'am.
All right, so here's the thing, they're asking to withdraw the motion. All right,
Mhm.
they're saying they can't prove up the allegations.
Yes, ma'am.
This is what I'm telling you, and I don't know why people don't understand this. There's to be no contact.
Yes, ma'am.
That's by phone. That's sending flowers to apologize. That's sending notes just because. That's trying to woo somebody back. They don't want you anymore. And I'm telling you, even if they do want you, you cannot contact them while you're on this probation. Do you
I
understand?
understand it, ma'am.
Is there anything you do not understand?
I did come in contact with the San Antonio Police Department, ma'am, in regards to her visiting my residence.
Mhm.
And their response, and this is where I got confused. I know probation has the rules, but the San Antonio Police Department, when I called on multiple occasions, they informed me that I need to, they wanted to charge her with criminal mischief because she did damage to my residence
Mhm.
and my vehicle, but they needed me to maintain her there. And I know I understand probation does not want me to have any contact, but this is where I was confused.
Well, this is what I want. Well, this is a suggestion.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm not your attorney.
Yes, ma'am.
If she tries to contact you, then what you should do, one, call the police.
Yes, ma'am.
Number two, call probation and say, just so you know, this person is at my house right now.
Okay.
I'm sure probation has her contact information, and then call your attorney and say, this person is at my house. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Is there anything else that you don't understand that needs to be cleared up?
No, ma'am. Thank you so much, Judge.
All right. With regards to those withdrawal probation, is there any conditions that need to be added?
No, Judge.
All right. All right. And state, do you have contact with the complainant?
Yes.
All right. If I have no jurisdiction over her, but she shouldn't be having contact with him if that's the case. And if you'll let her know that I'm going to sign the motion to withdraw.
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there anything else?
Nothing, Judge.
All right. Thank you. You're welcome. Do I have the motion to withdraw
You
yet?
just signed it, Judge.
All right. Thank you.